Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Here are simple craft and school hacks you can make with cardboard and paper. Cardboard desk organizer. Materials like cardboard, colored papers, glue, scissors. Cut cardboard in different sized rectangles to create compartments. Cover it with colored paper and glue the pieces together to form a desktop organizer for pens, paper, clips or notes. Paper bookmark corners. You need materials like colored papers, markers. Cut a square piece of colored paper and fold it into a triangle. Decorate with cute faces or patrons and use them as corner bookmarks. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Cardboard phone holder. Materials like cardboard, tape, scissors. Cut a piece of cardboard into an L shape. Bend part of it for the base and prop your phone on the upper part. Decorate it with paper or mark. You can say markers. Paper pencil holder. Materials like cardboard tube from a toilet roll, colored paper glue. Cover the cardboard tube with colored paper. You can add decorations like stickers or drawing. Use it as a pencil or pen holder for your desk. Cardboard notebook cover. Cut cardboard to the size of your notebook. Cover it with colored paper and attach to the notebook using glue or string. Add designs and labels for personalization. Paper accordion folder. Cut cardboard to the size of a folder, create pockets with folded colored papers and attach inside. Use the string to close a folder for a paper organizer. Thanks for watching this video.